Please like, share and subscribe. Violets are charming, small flowers known for their delicate appearance and pleasant fragrance. They belong to the genus Viola and are widely appreciated for their beauty and versatility. Here's a detailed overview of violet flowers. 1. Appearance. Flowers. Violet flowers typically have 5 petals arranged in a distinctive, asymmetrical pattern. The upper petals are usually larger than the lower ones, which often have a unique, slightly rounded shape. They come in a variety of colors, including purple, blue, white, yellow, and shades in between. Some species have a sweet, light fragrance. Leaves. Violet leaves are heart-shaped or rounded, with a slightly toothed or smooth edge. They are typically green but can have varying shades depending on the species. 2. Blooming time. Violets generally bloom in early spring, though some species and varieties can flower intermittently throughout the growing season. They can also bloom in late fall, depending on the climate and growing conditions. 3. Growth habit. Height. Violets are usually low-growing plants, with most varieties reaching heights of 6 to 12 inches. Some can spread to form ground covers. Structure. They have a rosette-like growth habit, with leaves forming a dense base and flower stems emerging from the center. 4. Habitat. Violets are versatile and can thrive in a variety of settings, from woodland edges to garden beds. They prefer partial shade but can tolerate full sun in cooler climates. They like well-drained, moist soil and are often found in rich, loamy conditions. 5. Care requirements. Light. Partial shade is ideal for most violet species, though some can tolerate full sun, especially in cooler regions. Too much sun can cause the flowers to wilt or scorch. Soil. They prefer well-drained, moist soil enriched with organic matter. Violets can tolerate a range of soil types but do best in slightly acidic to neutral pH. Watering. Regular watering is necessary to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Violets do not tolerate dry conditions well. Fertilizing. They benefit from occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer. Over-fertilization can lead to excessive foliage at the expense of blooms. 6. Propagation. Violets can be propagated by seeds, division, or cuttings. Seeds can be sown directly in the garden or started indoors. Division of established plants is typically done in early spring or fall. Some species can also be propagated by leaf cuttings. 7. Pests and diseases. Violets are relatively pest-resistant but can occasionally suffer from aphids, slugs, and snails. They may also be prone to fungal diseases like powdery mildew and root rot, especially in overly wet conditions. 8. Uses. Violets are often used in garden beds, borders, and as ground covers. Their charming appearance makes them popular for container gardening and hanging baskets. They are also used in edible decorations, with some species having edible flowers and leaves. Violets can be used to make violet syrup or candied flowers. 9. Cultural significance. Violets are often associated with modesty, loyalty, and love. They have been used symbolically in literature and art and are sometimes included in wedding bouquets and other special occasions. 10. Companion planting. Violets pair well with other shade-loving plants such as hostas, ferns, and astilbes. They can also be used as a ground cover beneath taller plants. Violets are valued for their delicate beauty, versatility, and ability to add a touch of charm to various garden settings. With the right care, they can provide lovely blooms and lush greenery throughout the growing season.